So hello guys, today's Leetcode problem is the product of last k numbers. So basically we have to design a system which will have two functions. Function one will be the add number, which will add the number to our list basically. For example, if you are considering the list or array, and great product of will take the integer k, where we have to return a product of last k numbers in the present in the array basically. And expected time complexity for both operations, they have asked us to do it in big of 1. Let's understand this problem with a simple case. Given that for example, they will call the multiple times the add operation and the get product operation, right? For example, they add 3 to the array, so 3 will come. Now they add a 2 to the array, so 2 will come. Now they ask get a product of last two numbers. So given the get product of k equal to 2, it means you have to return a product of last two number, that is 3 into 2, that is a 6. So we have to return output as a 6. Again, in this case, again they call add 1 to the array, so I will add 1 here. Again they ask add 4 to the array, I will add it. Now they ask give me the product of k equal to 2 again. Now last two products are numbers are 1 and 4, so output should be the 4 for this case. Again they ask give me the product of the k equal to 3, so we have to return a product of last three numbers, so that will be 2, 1, 4, that will be 8. If you see, for getting the product, every time we are looping over the last numbers and taking the product, so this can be the operation of the big of k. And in worst case they have given here, in worst case the k can be 10 raised to 4. So if my array is 10, for example, if I'm calling this operation every time, it will take big of k, and they are calling the get product operation at most 10 raised to 4 times. So that is 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to 4. That is ultimately going around 10 raised to 8, which is not acceptable, and you will get a time limit exceed error here. So how we can solve this problem? To tackle such kind of the problem, we can use a prefix sum idea. So basically what we will do, whenever we are adding the number in the array, we will add as a prefix product basically. How I'm saying it? Initially we add 3. So yeah, 3 is there. Now we got a 2 now. So what I will do, I will take a product of previous elements into 2. So that is 3 into 2, that is a 6. I will store a 6 instead of 2. Next time I got a 1. So previous product till previous element is a 6. So 6 into 1, that is a 6. So 6 defines that the product of all three elements prior to it is a 6. I got a 4. So 4 into 6, that is 24. Now let's see the case. I want to get a product of last two elements, that is the last two elements. So if you see, in this case was the 4, last two element product was 4. So what I have to do, I have to just take a product of this whole. I have here at this index I have product till here. I will just divide it by till here, till here basically. I want last two product, right? So till here product is a 6. So 24 by 6, that is a 4. And you can see I am getting the product of last two elements. Same case, if I want a product of last three elements, so what I will do, I will take a product till here, that is a 24 again, and I will divide by product from here. So that will be the, here you can see that is a 3. So that is basically around the 8, right? That is basically around the 8. And yeah, the last three product of the last three element was 8. So code for this problem is basically I'm using the prefix array over here, and I'm initializing with a 1. And whenever I'm encountering the num as a 0, I'm reinitializing it, because I want, so whatever the numbers are prior to the 0, always product will be the 0 for it. That's why I'm initializing with the 1. And always I'm taking the previous product